So everybody give him a round of applause. I'm looking for Judy. Judy from WAAAM, are you here? Judy runs WAAAM Museum here. I approached her about 3 months ago to run this idea past her, and she thought it was a great idea. And she said what she'd really like to see is a bunch of young people coming to the museum and starting to work with their volunteers, learning about airplanes, learning about classic cars, learning how the museum runs. They have an awesome machine shop and fabrication shop in the back. They've got a lot of over 100 volunteers running this museum, but the average age of those volunteers is probably 70 years old. There's Judy back there. Wait, she's the one with the electric cart that we're all jealous about.
Go! Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change, you can touch your phones for driver control mode. You cannot touch your controllers yet. So set up your apps, your op modes for driver control. Okay, you can grab your controllers now. Robots cannot move. And we are going to start the clock, Barry, on 3, 2, 1, go.
Looks like we have all 4 robots moving. That's kind of impressive. And they are scoring in the low goal. Red has a lot in the low goal. Remember, the problem with the low goal is blue can come and D-score, and red can D-score blue, but they can play defense. So right now, it looks like they're going to be protecting. '56-'86 has a couple blocks below them. They can only control 5 blocks at a time.
1 minute.
It's a 1 minute time. This is going to be a close score, actually. Looks like red has more in their logo. Oh, and now we're going up the mountain with 38 seconds left. They can go up the mountain. They cannot touch the cliff zone. Okay, looks like we have 1 up in the low score. Red has to go up red. Blue has to go up blue. It looks like we have 1 blue and 1 red with 4, 3, 2, 1. Robot stop. All right. Refs will score.
Well, that's exciting. Doesn't look like we have autonomous period. I'm hoping that they're going to move on driver control, but it's going to be a long 30 seconds. Okay,
everyone grab your controllers. Okay, on 3, 2, 1, driver control, go. All right, we have 4 robots moving again. This is impressive. 8 out of 8. It looks like 9975 has a half a robot. Half's better than none. We got 1 block scored for the red. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 for the blue. We have 37 seconds. We are going to go into end game. In 2, 1, end game. 30 seconds. This is where the teams get to climb the mountain and try to hang. So we have one robot going up the mountain. Let's see how far they get. They do get scores at the end game for being on the mountain. To be on the lower part of the mountain, you have to be completely above that white tape. Here goes red up the mountain. Time. Stop. Stop. Thank you. All right. No, the refs have to score it, and then you can grab your robots. You can turn off your ops, though.
2, 1, go! Oh, it looks like red team was going to go up the mountain, and they missed. It looks like that debris screwed them up a little bit. We have 10 seconds left in autonomous. Hopefully we're not blowing out a motor. 3, 2, 1.
All right, it's driver control mode. You can touch your cell phones now and grab your controllers. So make sure that you initiate your driver control mode. Look to make sure your joysticks show up on your cell phones. So do you want us to cycle you? Okay, so we can cycle them. So that is a new rule, teams. This year, if between autonomous and driver control mode, if you want the refs to cycle your power on and off, you can nicely ask them, and they will cycle your robot. They cannot do anything else for you. If your robot is stuck up on debris like this, you can request them to move your robot, and they can, on their discretion, move it if they think that you cannot get off by yourself. Do you want us to move your robot? I'd say I think you can get off that yourself. All right, red team, are you ready? Do you see your robot yet? Jake? Phone's frozen. We're having difficulties with phones. Okay, sorry, we can't do anything about that. But on 3, 2, 1, go. Go pump your teammates. Okay, great job. That's not going to help.
George. Ask anybody to push you off, George.
So we have red team trying to go up the mountain. And, whoa, that robot got excited. We have a little less than a minute to go in this high-scoring game. We have one robot still going, 4412. It's going. They're not controlling it, but it's going. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points for the red, and 2, 3, 4. End game. 30 seconds. If blue team can get a few more balls over there, or cubes, they'll win, or if they can get up on the mountain. Oh, they're stuck on a block. I was wrong, they can't get off. There we go. They have 2 blue ramps that are open. If they could go up a ramp, or if they could just get... They can't do anything. Okay.
Three, 2, 1, go. That's pretty exciting. We are going to get better as the year goes on. Okay, so the timers were wondering what that 10-second beep was. This year, for the first time, you cannot cross the diagonal for the first 10 seconds.
Okay, driver control mode. Everyone grab your joysticks. And set your ops. And we are going to go in 3, 2, 1, go. Driver control mode. We have 3 robots moving. We have 4 robots moving. Looks like we are scoring in the red zone. Low goal. All right. I would caution 8175 dropping that arm. If it hurts the map, we'll have to disqualify him. Looks like the red is scoring pretty good in the logo, and blue is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. We have a minute and 15 seconds left. I have a funny feeling we're going to see some robots up on ramps here. I also see some nuts and screws out on the map. I'm seeing a lot of debris. Uh-oh, robots 4543 almost handed on their back. $40 seconds left. We are going to go into end game in 8 seconds. It looks like the red team is going up a ramp. They have looks like an auger in front of their machine, and they are up onto the ramp. And it looks like 7875 is going up the ramp. And they are up the ramp also. They are both in the low scoring of the ramp. They're not in the middle. Oh, it looks like blue is going up. Will blue make it? They have 4, 3, 2, 1. End game, stop. Looks like we have 4 robots on the ramp. Now, in driver control mode, the scoring is different for the different levels of the mountain. So they're all in the low goal, but some of them are on the white tape, and some of them are not on the white tape. And I believe for scoring, I'm not sure.
We also have a robot that's digging into the map, which I don't like. They're my maps. Okay, that's the map. Well, that was exciting, autonomous mode. And we have 3 seconds left of that excitement. All right, so drivers, select your controllers. 1, go.
Like brother and sister. I wonder if they're related. 5686. Uh-oh, 5266 is getting wild on the... And it looks like we have a dead robot. These guys have been having problems. Uh-oh, they're going in circles. Okay, it looks like 5266 might be trying to... I don't know what they're trying to do. Okay, let's go over here and look at these guys. Okay, we got an arm claw here. I think 5266 is trying to get around that one vehicle to get close to their blue mountain. Yep, I think that's what they're trying to do. Oh, pretty good parallel parking there. All right. He is in position. He can go up that mountain at any time. He just cannot go to the cliff. Okay. We are going to end game. It is end game. Now they can go up the mountain and get to the cliff zone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going to get a running start at it. Whoa! Okay, we got... stop! When you hear the buzzer, you must stop. All right, we've got robots all over the place.
Let's go. We have a robot moving. We have 2 robots moving. And dancing. Nice. Oh, that was so cute. Perhaps are we ready?
9529, cross the line before the 10-second buzzer. Your robot will still move. So the question was for other teams, can we remove the blocks under the robot? The answer is no, because it's not prohibiting him to move. There is a ruling that they can only control 5 blocks. So if there's a block under his robot, then he can only control 4. I don't see any way they can control any blocks anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we are going to go in 3, 2, 1, go! For every block that they control more than 5, they get a penalty per block for every 5 seconds.
They're lagging messing me up. There we go.
6 seconds before endgame. Will they go up the ramp? Endgame. No! Looks like the red team was trying to help the blue team up the ramp. 4412 is going up the ramp. Will they be able to? There. One, stop. Stop. That was pretty exciting.
One. Oh, blue one, sorry. Blue 2 is 4143. Red team, rep, are you ready? He says yes. On 3, 2, 1, go. Seconds, they can cross over the diagonal, but I don't think they are. We have 9 seconds.
All right, drivers, grab your controllers. And we have driver control mode in 3, 2, 1, go. Well, we have 3 robots moving. Not except for in between. But it's not seeing your joysticks. It's like we're doing Robot Wars. We have 40 seconds left. And now we have another robot on the floor. And they are going in circles. Oh, 4543. Oh, it rights itself. Nice. I wonder if they designed it to do that. And we have a red ramp. They're trying to get up the red ramp. That arm will keep them down, maybe, from flipping. Stop. Debris. We have a problem on the red team. Phone shut off. FTA. Graham, are you around? Moving and going up the ramp in a tiny mess. Looks like he has just gone a little too far, maybe hitting the side there. I do believe that is a score in autonomous, though. So it's the first time we have had a robot in autonomous going up the mountain. Good job, 8176. Nice work. Right, 4412 did get out of the hole. Okay, end of autonomous. The refs are scoring it. Let's get our driver control ops ready. You can pick up your controllers. Refs, are we ready? Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we got movement. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, he's doing good controlling those blocks. He knows he can't control more than 5. And he's got a climber in there too. This 12-foot by 12-foot mat gets pretty small with these 4 robots in there. 8175 is going and getting. Red 1 sure has a good way of getting blocks. They are scoring blocks in that low goal. Okay, 8176 can D-score, and that's exactly what he does. He plays defense by taking away Red's goals. That is totally illegal. Now he's helping his partner up the ramp. What a nice robot. 10 seconds before endgame. Red team cannot block the Blues ramp. You cannot block. 4412, you are in penalty zone. That is a major penalty. Okay, Blue is up. Oh, nicely done. 8176. I would be surprised if they don't get the high score for the night. 8176. 4412 is still trying to get the ramp. There, it is end. Stop movement. Thank you. All right, that was exciting. I'm not going to have any voice tomorrow. Very nice job, 8176. I believe they scored on the ramp, both in driver and autonomous. Teams, you can grab your controllers. Okay, red team ready. Blue team ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're on driver control mode. We got 4 robots moving. This is why we need driver education. You do not want to put these kids out on the road. Well, it looks like 5266 is trying to go up the ramp, and 104085 is. I believe that it's okay what 1080, what they were doing. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! We are up there. We are allowed to climb up. You are not allowed to touch a clip zone. If I was them, I would not touch that joystick anymore. I believe that's the first robot that's gotten completely up into the middle goal. 10485, you are a brute. They are just moving robots around at will. Okay, 7875 is being trapped, and we are going into endgame, so they cannot trap 7875 from going up the other ramp. So, 7875, looks like they lost control. Now we have 9529 trying to go up the red ramp. 10485. Will they be able to go up that ramp? Oh, 7875 is moving again, and they are not driving very well. Looks like they had one chance. All right, maybe they can help their partner up the ramp. They have 2 seconds. 1, end game, stop. Nice job, guys. First of the night, I believe, for a low score on the middle score on the mountain. Nice job. 5266. Hey, that's my team. Nice job, guys. All right, refs are going to score this one. Teams, thank you so much for showing up tonight. Make sure that we get this place